Okay, good day. My name is Johnson. I'm going to walk you through on how to make use of our offline CBT system. Now, to do that, the first thing you have to do is to download a server that is going to be used to run the software offline. And the name of the server is called WAMP server. Now, this page you're looking at is WAMP server page. All you just need to do is to head to this site www.wampserver.com/en/download WAMP server. That's 64 bits, and you have this page. Or I will also send you the link to this page. If you are watching this, you can also send me a message to send you the link if you don't get it. wampserver.com, or you can just type on Google page WAMP server. It will show you a link to come to this site. And once you get to this point, just scroll down. You see download. Just head to 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system, depending on the Windows you're using. So once that is done, you download WAMP server, install it in your system, and you're good to go. After installing it, you're going to have an icon like this. It's either going to be on your desktop. Or you can have it here, this icon. Once you have this icon, all you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you a warning. Sometimes it may not show you, but most likely it's going to show you a warning telling you that Windows wants to run this program. Whatever you have, you just click yes so that you can start the program running. And once the program starts running, you see this icon. Once it's green, it means that the program is live, is working, and is active. If it is red, it's just starting. If it is yellow, it's still trying to start all the services of this server. And because you're going to use this system to do exam in the school, and different people, different students are going to be writing the exam at the same time using different computers, all connected to your server. Now, you are installing this software in one system, and every other person who is going to write the exam is going to be connected to that system. And for that reason, you need this software to be online. When I say online, I don't mean that you're going to go to internet. What I mean is, once you after installing this software, click on this icon wherever it is on the system, especially on the taskbar. Once you click on it, you're going to see this menu. On this menu, this place called put offline is put offline because I've already turned it online. So let me click on it. Now it's restarting. So when it's done restarting, it will turn green. Now, this is actually what you're going to see after installation. You're going to see put online. So this put online, once you click on it, is going to make sure that other systems locally connected to this system will be able to access this WAMP server. So I'll click on it, put online, is putting it online, and it's restarting the server. So once the server is restarted, it turns back to green again. So we now have this software installed in our system. Then after installing this software, we need to really be certain that this software is properly installed. So what do? All we need to do is to open our browser. Once you open a browser, type localhost and press enter. Once you type localhost and press enter, you're going to see the WAMP server configuration page. This is the configuration page we are looking at. It shows you different things about the server which we don't need to explore in this class. So the next thing you're going to do now is, we have installed the WAMP server. The next thing is to download the software that we sent you a link. That is the question composer software that we sent you a link for. Now, after downloading the software in your system, locate wherever it is because it's going to be in a zipped file. Unzip it. After unzipping it, copy the folder into this WAMP server. How do we do that? Now, when you install this WAMP server, it's going to create a folder for you in Drive C. Now, let's open Drive C. This is my computer. This is Windows C. Most likely, it's going to create a folder for you in this Windows C. Now, under this Drive C, look for WAMP. This is one folder. You click on it, it opens. When that opens, look for www. Here is it, www. I'll click on it, it opens. Now, in this place, you're going to copy and paste the folder that you have unzipped. That is the link we sent you to download the software. You have unzipped it. After unzipping it, you have a folder called Question Composer. just copy that folder and dump into this place. Now, a lot of you are seeing a lot of folders there because I created a lot of them. Now, in your case, you may not have any folder because you just installed this Swarm server new. Then paste the question composer in this folder. Once you pasted it, you have this folder called question underscore composer. Now we have successfully installed this our software in the system. After doing that, now let's be sure that we have installed it. Open a browser, type localhost / question composer. Question composer. Sorry, I didn't get it right. So once you type localhost / question composer and press enter, this is what we have: School Offline CBT. Now this shows us that we have installed the software successfully. So the next thing you need to do is you need to create a database for this software. Now in that same folder that you have downloaded or that you have copied into the www folder, open the folder, look for a folder called DB. Here is it. When you open this folder called DB, you have two files there. You have a staff table and you have table structure. Now these two folders are the database files that you need to successfully run this program. Now, how do we install or how do we create this database in inside our server? What you need to do is to go back to that localhost that you've opened already. In this place, look for a file, look for a link called php myadmin. Here is it, php myadmin. You click on it. Now when you click on this place, you go to databases. Then under databases, you come here, create database. I will now type in the name of the database. Now in this case, the name of the database is question underscore composer. Let me look for it. Sorry. The name of the database is CBT underscore question composer. I'll type CBT underscore question composer. When I'm done, I'll just click create. Now I'm not going to create because I already have it in the system. But for you, you type CBT underscore question composer and click create. Once it's done, this database will be created for you on the system. And once it's created, just click on it. When you click on it, this place is going to be blank because you are just creating the database. Here we have a lot of files, we have a lot of tables because we've been making the database, it's been generating different tables for us. So, but in your case, you are just creating this database, so this place is going to be blank. There's nothing here. All you just have is these tabs that are up. So the next thing we are not going to do is we are now going to import the database file into this place. To do that, click on import. Now under this import, I'll go to browse, then I'll come to that my question composer DB folder inside it. The first one to import, you have to follow this order. The first one to import is table structure. I'll click on table structure and click open. It's here now. Then scroll down, click on go button. I'll click on go. I'm not clicking it, but you click on go. It will run this file that you've imported and create the tables that is required in this database. After doing that, the next one is go back to the imports. You go back to the imports, click on browse again, and then click on staff table. And this is also going to configure staff table for us. When you do that, you just click on go, it will configure staff table and we are good to go. So after doing this, the next thing to do is, because you have already opened this place, all you just need to do is type this staff login. We type our staff ID admin and type our password. Our password is admin1234. You click on login. Now you are now successfully logged into the system. So this is the first phase of the training on how to install this CBT.